Alright guys, Mitch Woods here with an updated bike check. Yeah, it's my Haro F3, whatever. Start up here. Edwin De La Rosa grips, lost me pretty well. I got the Oddessy remono lever. Yeah. Then I got the linear slick in black now. I got the flybikes media stem. It's good because I don't have any spacers, so it clears it. I got the macniel 2010 blazer forks. They're pretty solid. The lightest forks on the market, I believe. I got the, what's it called, the Sun Rhinolite. Right in there. It's an okay front wheel, I guess. Something I got just because I didn't have a front wheel. And I got new Shadow Conspiracy pedals. Forget what they're called. Got Haro 3 seat, Haro 3 frame, Haro 3 bars. Down here I got my Oddessy hazard light with Oddessy ratchet and Haro 3 cranks, chain, hazard light rim, chrome, Tektro brakes. That's my bike check. Nothing special.